Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Minecraft game on your PC with two methods. Guys, first you have to open up your any browser and just search for the Minecraft on your any browser, and the Minecraft website will appear on the top. So you just need to open up the minecraft.net website, and here you will see the games option on the top. So just click on that game option and you will see the Minecraft game. Just click on that Minecraft game, and here just scroll down, you will see the option of platforms, and here just again scroll down, and here you just need to select the platform. If you have the Windows, Mac or the Linux, then you just need to select it. And if you have the any other platform like the Xbox or the PlayStation, then you just need to select your platforms. And here in this page, if you want to download the deluxe collection of the Minecraft, then you just need to pay the $40 here. And if you want to download the Java edition or the BlackRock edition or the Minecraft launcher, then you just need to pay the $30. Just click on the checkout option, and here just sign into your account or just download the game. The second way to download this game is just open up your Microsoft Store, then just click on the top search box and just type here the Minecraft and just search for it. And once you search for it, now the Minecraft game will appear on the top. You will see its all version, and you just need to select the version that you want to download. So once you select it, now here you will see the option to buy it. So just pay with your any card or the PayPal. So once you pay the amount, now the game will start downloading and installing into your PC. And hope this video is helpful for you, and if yes, please don't forget to like it, and I will see you guys in the next video.